Hey family, hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And today's video, I'm going to share with you a Valentine's Day tablescape. Yes, my favorite thing, Valentine's Day and tablescapes. And this is a part of a collaboration hosted by my girl at home with Mary J. Check out her channel. She's a beautiful woman. She is on the mend. She's coming back. She's fighting back, getting stronger, and she's coming back, uploading more content to YouTube. And her co-host is Mary's Life Journey. And both of their channels will be linked in my description box. Go and check them out. And I really wanted to support Mary in this. I haven't done a tablescape collaboration in a while, but I wanted to participate in her collaboration because, first of all, she has subscribed to me early on in my journey. When I first started YouTube, didn't know what I was doing, but she subscribed to me and she has been so supportive, and she always comments on my videos or on Instagram, gives me a heart. And she's been, this is like when I was like, you know, like you said, Ashley the Classy, when I didn't know anything, she, you know, so people like that, I really respect people like that, that are down with you when you're nothing, when you don't know what you're doing, and they support you, you know, as you're growing. And so I want to support her. She's been off of YouTube for a little while, and so she's getting better and she's gonna upload more. So I wanna, you know, be a part of her collaboration. So the rules of this collaboration were simple. She said we can use our own colors, but we can, you know, do what we want. It has to represent Valentine's Day. Ooh, my hair is crazy. And our DIY has to be, you know, a Dollar Tree DIY, our centerpiece, using Dollar Tree, you know, picks and, you know, whatever it takes. So I think my tablescape's gonna be a little different, Mary. You should, hey, I don't know, this is gonna be a little different one, okay? But it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be unique, and it's what we're gonna do this Valentine's Day. Yeah, so we're gonna, this is gonna be uploaded on Valentine's Day at 10 a.m. So guys, thank you so much, and stay tuned for my Valentine's Day tablescape. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today to my Valentine's Day Tablescape 2022. And I want to thank Mary and At Home with Mary J and her co-host Mary's Life Journey for hosting this collaboration. This was so much fun, and I really I didn't think I was going to do a Valentine's Day Tablescape this year. So because she is hosting this collaboration, that inspired me to create a tablescape. And I want to do the same for you guys. I want to inspire you guys to make it fun. You know, like we still have to stay in the house a little bit more than usual and just make it fun. Make it fun. All right, guys. So thank you so much. And the playlist with all the other participants of this collaboration will be in my description box, as well as Mary At Home with Mary J and Mary's Life Journey. The links to their channels will be in my description box as well. And I got almost everything from, most of the stuff on this table came from Dollar Tree. All right, guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, guys, thank you. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, Mom.